How to add 3D text shadow effect in Wix Studio. So you can see right here a 3D text shadow effect in place. And if you want something like this, what you can do is you can just head over and then click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. Now, once you have clicked on that, just click on text and then you can just choose whatever text you want. Now, for this case, let's choose heading 3. Let's click on it and as you can see, it will be added. So I will move it right around here in order to place it right there. Now, once you have placed your actual text, next thing you need to do is to just edit it. Click onto this edit text option, and then it should be able to show you your text settings. Here is our text settings. We can see the style, the fonts, everything that we have right here. But for this case, just head over and click onto this effects option. Once you have clicked on that, it will expand here this effect status. So we have in here other options, but what we are looking for actually is this G. So as you can see, G is actually kind of elevated and has a 3D effect on it. So you can just head over and then click on that and then make sure to apply that to the text that we have right here. So as you can see, it has been applied right now. You can just head over and then edit out some things that you want to edit after you have applied that particular 3D text shadow effect. So that's how you add 3D text shadow effect in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.